How to import 360 photos to Google Street View app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Street View. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go down here and click on this create option down here. After you click on create, now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is simple. Click on import 360 photos and then click OK from here, and it will take you directly to your gallery, and then you can choose the photos or the photo that you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.